Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn English through our daily English conversation. Let's start. Here's the English conversation. Hello. How are you? How is your family? Is everything fine at home? Where do you live? How did you suddenly come here? How far have you studied? Where do you work? Where have you been until now? Why didn't we meet for so many days? I searched for you a lot, but I couldn't find you anywhere. I saw you after a long time. I missed you a lot. You are a very good friend of mine. Let's have tea and snacks together. I'll pay the bill, so don't worry. What do you like to eat? We will go out together. We'll have a party. We'll have a lot of fun. Meet me every day. I'll wait for you every day. It was really nice meeting you. Take care of yourself. Bye. Subscribe for more videos.